Basically, we are providing the equipment to allow a local pizzeria, a national pizzeria chain to sell their own products in locations that would be inaccessible otherwise. So, somebody that wants their pizzeria business to grow but doesn't want to build a new shop, you could put 10 to 15 of these out in colleges, breweries, airports, malls, wherever you can imagine, service centers for cars, without having to worry about hiring a whole staff of people or finding a great location to build your shop. So the idea is great local pizza without the headaches of owning a new pizzeria.
Same quality?
Same quality, same way you want it cooked. It's cooked at your shop, just reheated.
What's the process?